you guys wanna make stories, Instagram stories that looks great?
I feel your world is swords and proud, and your
So number one app you will need is Filmora Go free video editor. You can find this app in Google Play Store by just simply typing in the name Filmora Go. So hello guys, Dev17 is back again with his videos. And in this video I'm going to teach you how you can make Instagram stories cooler than before. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you only the video things, okay, not the image things. In another video I'll show you the image things. So the app they told you is Filmora Go. So let me open the app. Here is the app, you can see. So let me open the app, and if it's is just like in create new video and set project, so you have to tap in this plus button, create new video. So tap on this. Okay, so here you can see, you can select the video files you are going to do. Okay, you are going to edit with. So let me choose one video. So I have chosen this video as my editing video. So this is the video I have chosen for editing. So you have to tap on that plus add button, so tap on it. So it has, you can see it has added the video here. So tap on next on the top right corner, so it will open the video here. So as you can see, here is themes, music, and many more options. Themes, music, transition. If you are using two videos, then it will use a transition middle in the middle. So the ratio, so you can control the ratio here. You can 16:9, you can make a frame, you can make a blur black thing. So I'm going for 16:9, and tap on if you want to. Let me show you the clip first. So here is the clip. I have downloaded it from YouTube videos. So you can see there is a video, just a normal cinematic sample. So as you can see guys, there are lots of things I can do with this, but I have to remove the first things, that is the text thing. So I have to go to edit tools, trim the clip, and I have to reduce the thing where it shows the text, it stops the text. So at this point it stops the text. Then I don't also want the video to be longer like this, so I have to cut it down to 30 seconds. I will make it 30 seconds. Okay, so I'll make it 30 seconds. So as you can see, now it is 30 seconds. Oh, it's 20 seconds. I waited 20 seconds. Oh, I've got it to 10 seconds before and last from 30 seconds. So it's 20 seconds. So now it is a cool 20-second video. Okay, so you can see, you can add subtitles, you can add peep. There are many peep options. I'm not going to do any peep things. So filters, you can add filters. So you can add this. There are black and white filters, anything. This golden thing looks look great. So this edit thing looks better, I think. Apply all. Decrease the strength a bit. Mist. So let me choose one that is good. Okay, I have to press OK. So everything is okay. So you can add themes if you don't want to do things like if you choose fashion. Let me show you how it looks. Fashion theme already it is okay. So in the music thing, you have to remove this music because you have already one music here. Okay, so okay, and play this again. Because as you can see here, it is doing fashion theme. See, it have edited many more things here. You can add many more things like winter, Chaplin, concert. To remove the music again. See, as you guys can see, this looks nice now. Glitchiness. It is awesome. So if you want to edit the text here, so go to edit tool and go to titles and tap on it, double tap on it and add title. So use the keyboard and I am using my name, obviously it only wants 7. Tap on OK. Let me think something. I'm going to type YouTuber here. So YouTuber. Okay, so let's see. So, YouTuber. Okay, so it has text options too, so you can use your text as like you want. YouTuber, so tap on it, use your name, that is D only 17. That's my name, D only 17. That looks awesome. No, that doesn't look awesome. Then you can use this, but the thing is, concept looks awesome. As you can see, the clip is now almost ready. There are plenty of options, don't worry. So press OK, then press OK again. But if you want to post it on Instagram stories, then you have to use the ratio of 1:1, not 1:1. You have to use it like 16:3 by 4 on toppers. But if that is not here, so use 16:9, then rotate it, and that will be your story. So that's it for it. Let me show you the clip for the last. So it looks like this. So tap on save, it will save the project. It's almost done. It depends on your phone's speed. So it's done now, almost done, 99%. So it will add a thing at the last. So let me show you. Save it to tap on this, save it to camera roll. Tapped it, so it is saved. So tap on cancel now, go back, and let me show you. So almost every phone has its own phone editor and as its own editor, video editor. If you don't have, go to Play Store, type video cutter, sorry for that, and you will find many apps. Sorry, my net is a bit slow. So you will find many apps. Easy Video Cutter, UCut, video editor, video cutter, so many apps. But I have a built video editor. So let me open my gallery. So let me go to where is the album? So as you guys can see, if you see the video here, it will show you the exact thing that it is here, but at the lights it will show this, that you don't need 6 seconds fucking thing. So you have to cut this thing out. So what you should do, go to edit, trim the video. What the hell. So you have to tap on the edit button, so tap on trim, and you have to adjust to 20 seconds and okay, then save. You can do it from anywhere. So it's done. So play this now. You can see this now 20 seconds and it is done. So your video is almost done. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you have learned many things. Love you guys. Stay tuned for new videos. Bye bye.